Now we also have our lotus pendant. And the lotus pendant, like this is a half Sacred Cubit Lotus Pendant. And I called it lotus pendant because it reminds me of the flower lotus. And I really love the design. So this one has not a spherical field. So it's basically going in both directions like the rings. And if you see, it has a sacred cubit ring outside, a half sacred, and then it has 7 quarter sacred rings inside. And those actually pick up energies. So if you give it to someone else and they are not in such a good mood, you might want to clean it before you put it on again. If you give it to someone they are just ecstatic and in a really good mood, then you're getting their energy too, and then you might not want to clean it. Okay, so you can actually, when you're in a really good mood and you wear it, and then you can gift it to a friend who is going through a hard time, and that could help them also with your energy, help them to lift up again. That actually happened to me. One of our customers was like so attracted to the one I was just wearing a few hours earlier, and I was in a really good space, and so she needed the uplift, and so she chose the one that I had on a few hours earlier. When it comes to cleaning, what you want to do is go from south to north, going back and forth, and east to west. So we were told that if we would go circular movements, they are having like a matrix, and it would disturb the matrix. So this is one you want to wear. You can just wear it if it's, and the strings are like with the harmonizers, so you can adjust them so they can help clean your chakras, and they also seem to help us to stay more centered and within our own energy, no matter what else is going on around us, and still be aware to information we might get and wouldn't be otherwise, because we were disturbed of like you're in a party and a lot is going on. And so this is a nice thing to have. And what this one, the light one, also seems to do is you could hang it up in the room, and it could also help harmonizing energies. Okay, so you can put it up on the ceiling somewhere, and it can help you with that too. And of course, you can place it anywhere on your body where you have pain, and it seems to be helping to relieve pain quite nicely as well. It